Here is the brand new BMW M240i. This is the 2022 G42 platform BMW 2 Series that has been recently released. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you guys an in-depth look at the Haya Spec 2 package. And I can also tell you guys what the difference is between the Haya 1 and the Haya 2 package. But this is the first production vehicle that we've had land at our dealership so far. I'm going to give you guys a walk around of the vehicle, what is the Haya package, what's included in the Haya package, and all of the individual options that this car has on it as well. This is actually my personal DYB vehicle for the next year. I absolutely love the vehicle and I can't wait to show you guys everything that's super cool with the brand new M240i. Before we hop into the video, make sure you absolutely smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's take an in-depth look at this Haya 2 Spec 2022 M240i. This one is packaged with Alpine White exterior. We have optional red M Sport brakes on the outside because they're gonna match in with the Tacora red interior. Part of Haya Spec 2 packages, you also get the black M Sport wheels with the Bridgestone Performance tires. We have the black mirror caps that are going with the black extended content. So Haya 1 and Haya 2 packages are basically the exact same equipment-wise on the inside. So you're getting head-up display, wireless charging, live Cockpit Professional, comfort door access, a sunroof, all of that good stuff. The only differences between Haya 1 or Haya 2 is going to be the fact that on Haya 1 you have the cerium gray kidney grille and exterior content, and on Haya 2 you have the black kidney grille and exterior content. And then also the black wheels, where Haya 1 you have the normal cerium gray wheels. Get another look at the gold adaptive LED headlights. Does not have the shadow line package, so I think that's the best way that they look with the gold in there. The black inserts here, looks like it goes right through and into the radiators. This is something I was curious about. On the pre-production model we saw, it looked like this, but in the photos, they showed a black flap. I'm thinking in the promo photo cars, they just didn't have the radiators in there, so they just kind of put a flap in there to protect it. You have the turbine kidney grills. I absolutely love this feature. They can open up in 10 different ways. When they are all the way open, they look like your traditional kidney grill slats. All black at the bottom. You can see where you would mount in the active stop and go cruise control module. And then I like the black lip along the bottom as well. Gives a little bit of a splitter. I love how beefy the fender is right here. How much it comes over, and that another insert there. I love the high gloss black side skirts and the black mirror caps. Add a nice aggressive tone to this vehicle. These are the new door handles for the G42 platform, sharing it with the G26 4 Series Grand Coupe. These are E36 vibes of how it opens up. On the top, we have a larger sunroof than the last generation and your signature shark fin antenna. Looks like we also have the flaps here for if you want to install a roof rails or a roof rack. High gloss black window surround is a standard feature. And we have a floating caliper in the rear instead of the fixed caliper because we have the electronic parking brake on the inside. Coming around to the back, we have redesigned taillights. Turn the light switch on. Redesigned taillights back here. Nice lip spoiler at the back. I like how the 2 Series kept its shape from the last one, where the lights are part of the body and they cut out for the trunk, and there's no lights put into the trunk like on other BMWs. The rear diffuser I like, nice and aggressive. I'm not a big fan of the exhaust tips. I prefer the circles, but I understand where BMW is going with it. Got a little peek at the limited slip differential that comes standard on this vehicle. Oh man, how boxy do you think these rear fenders arches are? I think they're super boxy. Like, just look at that, how much they poke out. I love the overall aggression of the fenders. The front has a nice fender flare. The rears have nice fender flares. The last 2 Series was literally like just flat. It just dropped off. There's nothing. There's so much depth to this M240. It almost looks like an M2. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if there's just an M2 badge on the front and that was what it is, because this thing is so aggressive. I love how there's concave and offset to the wheels that never used to be there on the last gen. An interior on this Haya Spec, matching with the red M Sport brakes, you also have the Tacora red interior. $1,500 charge looks pretty fantastic. I'm certainly enjoying it for my car. The door panels are here. The ambient lighting on the inside. I will say they could have used more ambient lighting like underneath the dash here like they have on the 3 Series and the 4 Series. The coated red leather is quite beautiful though. At nighttime you almost think it's black. It's really hard to tell that it's a red. Then to get into the back seat, there's a lever on the back right there. And then the seat automatically moves forward. There's no longer a little button you have to press like on the last gen. Back seats, I find space-wise, they are about the same as the last gen, where the amount of headroom that you get, load-through system, 40-60 split. I do notice more speakers back here, and the door paneling, dimpling carries over into the back, which is pretty cool. And you now have the updated climate control in the back, and 2 USB-C ports right there. This one also has the aluminum trim on the inside. This one does not have the 893 wheels, so you won't see the extra fender lips that are on the vehicle, or that can be on the vehicle with the M Sport Pro package. We'll notice in the rear window here, we've got Harman Kardon sound system, which is the $1,000 standalone item optioned onto this car. Thank you, BMW, for that. Dimples, all your controls. No galvanic controls, you know, only the black plastic. M door sills, M door pedals. I was personally fine with this tricolor stitching on the floor mats. I appreciate. Lumbar support and side bolstering adjustment as well. Part of the Haya package, you're getting head-up display. So you're getting head-up display. Part of the Haya's package, you're getting the live Cockpit professional. Part of the Haya package. One thing I was curious about was the ambient lighting. Now on the pre-production model, when you were looking at this image, it showed ambient lighting here. It showed it along here. Now it doesn't even show that. Now it's actually proper to what's in the car. Then of course you have your center console, just like the 3 and the 4. Wireless charging tray is part of the Haya Spec 2 package as well. I do find it just heats up my phone, doesn't actually charge it. And then adaptive M suspension is another standalone feature added to this car. Of course the center console is the same as the 3 and the 4. Part of the Haya package, you also get the remote control. Also part of that wireless charging tray is the Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have the remote control. Part of the Haya package is also going to be the sunroof, which is now larger and has the fully powered sunshade as well. So the Haya package is quite equipped. So comfort door access on the outside of the vehicle will automatically lock and unlock as you walk towards and walk away from your vehicle as well. So that is your in-depth look at the Haya Spec 2 package. White exterior, red interior, upgraded red M Sport brakes, Tacora red interior, Harman Kardon sound system, the aluminum trim, all part of the upgrade. Everything that's going to be standard part of your Haya Spec package. You're going to be looking at that universal remote control, the comfort access, the glass sunroof, the lumbar support, storage compartment package on the back of the seats, head-up display, live Cockpit professional, wireless charging, and the Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as these black wheels and the black high-gloss kidney grille and exterior content. All standard, or not standard, but part of that Haya Spec 2 package. Everything else is either the standard feature or the one-off. So another one-off is the adaptive LED headlights. Everything else is that standard feature. Before I end this video, let's just take a look at the engine bay with the B58 engine, and we'll give you guys a little clip of the exhaust. B58 engine bay. One thing compared to the 3, the 4, pretty much any other car that's getting this engine, like the X5 and the X3, we do not have the 48 volt mild hybrid technology. So you'll notice that is not on the M240. We might add it in the future years, as we go through this generation, but currently right now, no 48 volt mild hybrid technology. appreciate this content. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.